really impressed. Seriously, it's really good.
Impressive that. I bet you wish that was done before you went on holiday.
Yeah. So 2 years ago, you may remember a video of Andy and I coming to MidBass in Sutton Coldfield with the ID Buzz.
Right, so here we are at MidBass, or Vibe Audio. They've just shown us around and it's pretty impressive, so I'm going to go and have a wander around and show you their showroom. So there we go, all done. So let me just take you in a bit closer and show you. It's all hidden away nicely.
To sort out the subwoofer, we found that we didn't have enough bass output just due to the constraints of where we put the sub originally. So we came to MidBass and fitted a Vibe sub in the boot of the van to give it that extra bass that Andy was looking for. So now we're on to the T7 development. We are here today because we want to try all the new range of the T7 and Transit products. So we brought our van, we're going to get a full setup in. I'll show you step by step of what we're fitting as we go about it. But we're going to get in there, we're going to get stripping and get some products in. So these are obviously built by Ford, so they're a little bit different to a normal transporter on how you take the door panel off. So there's a lot of different bolts opposed to a couple of screws like an old transporter. So we've got one here behind the handle, the trim that's here, there's two here, and then going down there is one here, there is one in this panel here, and there's two under here. Now one thing I noticed that I was using a plastic trim tool as you're supposed to on these little things. Right, so these are located in there, but just poking in to try and get that to pop out will damage the plastic. So I know we don't use screwdrivers, but in this case a little screwdriver just gently pop it out and it released it without damaging it. Right, so that's the door panel off. Now, as you saw, I used this pump up bag just to really help myself, but they're such a tight clip, so when you are removing these, be really careful because they're probably going to snap these clips, to be honest. They were so tight, it was ridiculous. But yeah, do the screws as I said. We haven't missed any screws, it was just ridiculously tight getting that door panel off. So I've got a selection of products that are going to go in the van now. We've gone with a higher end package on this van. We're going to do two different packages with the speakers. So these are the HELIX i5s, and we've got the match amp, we've got our speaker baffles, our wiring harness adapters, and a few other bits to get the tweeters mounted. We're going to show these going in as they go in, but yeah, to show you the higher end package that we're going to fit in this one.
Gonna be you.
Who is it?
Whilst we're here, we might as well add some sound editing.
Yep. So Vibe have donated a bit of sound editing for us. This is the same stuff as our Dodo Dead actually, just same factory, different stamping. So we might as well put some of this in while we're already here. way better.
Just took the flags out.
So we've got the HELIX i5 6.5-inch speakers now in with the custom mounts and the speaker adapters. We've also put a bit of the deadening in. So I've not gone to town like I normally do. I like to take the glass out, the window regulators out and gut the door and really do the whole surface area, but due to time constraints I've put 4 sheets in and it's made a huge difference already, as you can see. So later on I'll carry on another day and gut the doors and really do the doors like I like to. So I've removed this factory recycled fabric material that was on this panel and I've fitted it with this open cell foam isolator. This will help dampen the sound through the door and stop vibrations. Okay, so we're all finished up. We've got the sub in, we've got the speakers in. We've had a listen, really impressed, seriously. It's really good. We're going to get back to HQ. Andy can now have a listen and see what he thinks.
The next day.
Well then, get a listen.
Okay, thank you. See if there's any good.
A lot better?
Impressive that.
I bet you wish that was done before you went on holiday.
So I've done quite a lot of miles on this because I've driven this to the Alps and back over Christmas and did plenty of miles before that, and I've commented in several videos the one thing that lets this platform down is how bad the audio is, and that is an absolute transformation. I knew it would be an improvement, but I didn't know how good this would sound. This audio sounds on par with 6-7 grand audio installs I've had in my cars in the past. It's super impressive. They've done a really good job. So this system and several others will be available on the website. So we're going to have various packages, premium and then a standard package. You'll be able to get a front system only, front with an amp, and then a full kit with a sub, and also a rear speaker option. These will be compatible with the full T7s, the e-transporters, as well as the ones with the diesel and the PHEV engines in, and the same across the Transit Custom platform. So you may notice from the background we're at a different building. So this is another project we're currently working on. If you're interested in following us there, this is at the Talk Rooms. You'll be able to find us on Instagram, on YouTube, and also on TikTok. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Please do hit that like button. It means a lot. It means YouTube shows it to more people. Share it with anybody that's got a Transit Custom or a T7 or is thinking of buying a T7 that will definitely want to improve their audio, I guarantee it. And as always, thanks for watching.